Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be working on custom, and it's going to be the Bugatti Veyron. This is a pretty nice looking car already. Kind of hate to tear it up, but it must be done. So let's get started. Got it drilled apart. So we've got the body, the windshield, interior, guess that's the motor, and the base. Gonna be changing out those wheels. Leave everything else color it is, except for this. And I'll get this thing stripped and painted, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back from the paint shop. Got it stripped and painted. This is what we have. Came out pretty nice. So one last thing to do is put it back together. Be right back. We started with this. And this is what we finished with. That wraps up our video for today. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the little bell. Appreciate your comments and a thumbs up if you like the video. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you later.